Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Simprosys and connecting it to your Google Merchant Center account. This step grants permissions so the feed can publish. Once done, choose your target country, currency, and the product catalog you want to export. Make sure to enable automatic updates and pick a sync frequency, daily or real-time, so listings stay current. This reduces manual uploads and prevents disapprovals. You're setting the foundation for accurate, consistent product data that Google requires. Next, map your store fields to Google attributes: title, description, price, GTIN, brand, and condition so Google reads each product correctly. Then, build transformation rules to handle variants, format prices, and set availability and shipping values. This ensures consistent output across SKUs. Use condition filters to exclude out-of-stock, restricted, or low-margin items. As you work, preview the generated feed to catch mapping errors. This step is where accuracy matters most, because incorrect attributes cause disapprovals. Finally, validate the feed within Simprosys, run diagnostics, review warnings, and fix any attribute or formatting errors before you publish. Once clean, publish the feed to Merchant Center and monitor diagnostics plus performance metrics for impressions and clicks. If Google flags disapprovals, identify the specific error such as missing GTIN or mismatched pricing, correct it in your source or mapping, and republish right away. Troubleshooting tip: prioritize fixing GTIN/MPN and price mismatches first. Those cause the most immediate rejections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.